All right, folks, this is a video about how to propagate oaks. Okay, that's an oak tree. These are seeds. I pluck them right off the tree. If you get them off the ground, put them in a bowl of water. If they sink to the bottom, they're good. If they float, they're bad. Okay, that's how to know that the seeds are good. And you'll get a bucket full like this and you'll head out and go, you don't bury them. You just make a hole, put some fertilizer in it, and rock and roll, let nature do its best. All right, there's some seeds right here I found on the ground. They're not cracked. They're not black or brown. They're nice and green, but could they still be good or bad? If they sink, they're good. So let's try it out. Everybody's gone to the bottom, so they're ready to be planted. Good deal. Check it out. See, they're under the water. Okay, here's the all-purpose fertilizer I get at Walmart. It's good to go. It does it. This one is a 10-10-10 mixture. You can survive with 13-13-13. I like 10-10-10 if you can get it. So let's get out there and do this. You're at your spot. It's got a lot of moisture. Make sure it's a moisture spot, or you're gonna have to water this sucker once in a while just to make sure the hole stays damp. You're gonna get your shovel in here. Here's my all-purpose shovel. Boy, I love this thing from Lowe's, man. I'm gonna put a description for the link on that in the video. I just love this shovel. Anyway, boom, you go in the hole, wring it back and forth. Try to get it as deep as the shovel itself. Just wring it back and forth. Okay, make yourself a nice, good, happy hole there. Okay. Set that to the side. You're gonna grab yourself some genuine seeds you just got off the tree. Look at that good old handful right there. That'll teach it. One of this is gonna grow. So you just dump it down the hole there. There it is. Can you see it down the hole there? Man, you can't even see it with this camera. But oh, there it is. They're right in there. Man, they're all sleeping now. Right there. Okay, and then you're just gonna add a little quarter scoop of some fertilizer on there to give it some love. And there you go. That's it, man. Let that sucker grow. They'll probably pop up during spring or close to summer. You'll be good to go. This is how I propagate them. You know, the old boys say, well, you got to do this, you got to do that, you got to marinate them, you got to put some chicken grease on them. No, I'll tell you what, you just dig a hole like this, but you don't cover it up. Good Lord, folks, don't cover it up. All right, leave it like that. Let the November rain take care of this October burial. All right. So anyway, that works for me, and I do it with my red yuccas also, but I can't show that in the video because I have to go to areas where there's a lot of red yuccas. I had some growing out here, but the doggone deer ate it. I don't know why they ate the yucca. I don't even know if that's good for a deer. That's a longer story too. But anyway, this is how you propagate oaks and red yucca. Check it out.